Hey guys, welcome to Pro Gun. 5.7 pistols are getting very popular lately, but is it really worth owning one? Well, I'm going to go through the pros and cons and let you decide. Now, the 5.7 cartridge was originally designed to replace the 9mm, and that never happened, and honestly, it's never going to happen. I got this 5.7, this is the Ruger 5.7, and I got it cheap. And that's the reason I bought it, and I was just curious about the 5.7. But this isn't about any specific manufacturer. This is about the 5.7 cartridge itself. It does have some things going for it, and the first one is there's virtually no recoil whatsoever. And it's a great gun for teaching someone who's never shot before. The recoil is basically like shooting a .22. Makes it much easier also for follow-up shots because of the lack of recoil. And the cartridge is much thinner than a 9mm, so it gives you much higher capacity. And these rounds were designed to pierce soft body armor. Now, the drawback to this is that this box of 50 of the 5.7 shells cost me almost 40 bucks. So it's very expensive to shoot. So you're not going to train with it as much as you would with a 9mm. They're also very large, so it's really not ideal to conceal carry. It's very difficult to find a holster, especially if you're left-handed. Now, let's go for penetration for defense. You could see the projectile is much thinner than 9mm. So you're not going to get the expansion and the penetration that you'll get with a 9mm. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't a bad caliber, but honestly, if you want to add it to your collection, that's one thing. But this is not a gun I would consider an everyday carry gun. It's also not a gun I would recommend for home defense. I mean, if that's all you have, that's fine, but I wouldn't suggest to go out and buy a 5.7 as your only pistol. But it is fun to shoot. So the bottom line is, you get a gun that's got high capacity, very little recoil, easy to shoot, especially with subsequent shots. But as an only gun for defense, I would pass. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.